Hello accounts people, time to have a quick look at our new versions of manufacturing accounts. We've got the layout here, I'm just going to cut and paste. This one's the version with some indirect labour and indirect materials in it. Apart from that, it's got manufacturing expenses, could be manufacturing overheads. We have also got some versions with prime cost. Prime cost would be direct labour and direct materials only. And apart from that, it starts and finishes the same, and it's just a matter of filling in the gaps. So we know we're still calculating the cost of goods sold. That hasn't changed. And we'll obviously have a number in there when we've got the rest of the figures in. And we're still going to start off with our opening inventory of raw materials. That hasn't changed. In fact, the next line, purchases of raw materials, no change there. And our closing inventory of raw materials hasn't changed. But I will of course have to remember for this one to put a minus symbol in because I'm using the spreadsheet to add it up. And that will actually be our first total at direct materials used. Little 24,000. Next point hasn't changed either. We've still got materials and labour. And we haven't got any direct expenses. We've got manufacturing expenses, but they're not going to be direct. So actually that will add up to our direct cost of 61,000 in this case. So now he's coming on to some of the different items. So indirect labour, well, with a factory, so unless it's admin labour or something like that, that's a manufacturing expense. Indirect materials are going to be used in the factory, the oils, lubricants, cleaning stuff that we can't relate to a particular unit. So all of those are actually going to go together, doesn't matter what order. To be added to our direct cost to get our manufacturing cost. Of £100,000. So now we've just got the adjustments for work in progress. So they're in the right order here. So opening inventory of work in progress. Closing will be a minus, so change it to a minus, and that will be our cost of goods manufactured. Add and subtract 103,000, and then just the two adjustments. They're in the right order actually, so they're in the right row, so I can actually just cut and paste them. But as ever, closings are subtracted, and we should get our answer, and 98,000. So there we are, we've done it in the right order, obviously putting in the right boxes, just a few changes. So it's some answers I did earlier actually when I was working out, a couple of extra little notes, that's just a bit of formula work. Same answer of course. So prime cost, if it came up, only direct materials and direct labour. You might also have a direct expenses above the direct cost, and we've got manufacturing expenses here. Could have any kind of production or factory overheads, all above the manufacturing cost.